It's Ivy, and we are in Family Dollar looking for the 25-cent clearance deals. I already picked up a couple of clearance deals that was in the front of the store. Let me show them to you. So this is a makeup holder right here. We're going to scan it, okay? Go first to your Dollar General app. Open it up. Tap the barcode. Let's see if it'll come up 25 cents. Yep, and there it is, 25 cents. Okay, so stick with me. I picked up two, purple and a pink. Okay, guys, come to the craft section. See where it say this? Clearance event. Select items are 25 cents. So you got those here. Scan this. This was 25 cents. So they look like this. The Noctour items. The home signs are 25 cents. The plaque right here, this is 25 cents. Let me see. There you go. So I'm going to scan one so you can see it. I'm going to turn this one around. And then I'm going to scan it for you. Okay. That. Okay. Let me exit out of that. 25 cents. Well, I see them redo this all the time on TikToks. So get those. Okay, this sign. Let me scan this. Where family home is where family gathers, friends meet. Let's see. $0.25. A lot of it is the stuff labeled $1.25. That is what's going to be 25 cents. Okay, now so you can grab that. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get this one that say Faith and Blessed. See that? 25 cent one. The red dot is on there. Okay, this is 25 cents. I just scanned it. Okay. Now see this one? Home Where Our Story Begins. 25 cents. Let me see. 25 cents. Okay, so let's take these. We don't even have $3 worth of stuff. All of these viral crafts. Let me scan that because this is a craft. Let's scan it. 25 cents. Okay, check off of these hanging things because see all these little gift bags right here? They're 25 cents. I just scanned them. 3-pack small occasion gift bag. 25 cents. Alright. Okay guys, more 25 cents, and this time it is marked. Okay, so Pegboards 25 cents right here. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these because I need them for work, but I want the whole one, so I think I'm gonna get the black ones. And I'm gonna get 4 since they're 25 cents because I want a nice size pegboard. Okay. And then they have these little small square shaped pegboard shelves right here. It's a little shelf, so you can get these that hook onto the pegboard. They're 25 cents. So I'm gonna grab a couple of those, probably 4. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then also. It is the adhesive rings. I don't know if those are, so let's scan it and see. Okay, guys, so these adhesive rings are not 25 cents. I scanned them. Okay, that's the pegboard I scanned. That is 25 cents. And let me scan this. So I picked the black ones up. Colors do matter. That's 25 cents. So I did pick up 4 of these, okay? So be careful. Now the white ones are 25 cents also. Let's see what else. Let me see if these for the loopholes. Let's see. These are called wire net connectors. And they do connect to the pegboard, but they hold like little nets onto them. So those are supposed to be 25 cents also. So let's see. And they are. And I will grab me a set of these. That's for 12. Okay, so some of the stores mark it. Some of them are not marked. Now right here we have more. We have these pencil cases, 25 cents. If you need to stock up for Christmas, perfect. Then you have these little cases right here. What are these? That's organizers made out of these little things. If you need those are there. Or is this it? What is this? Let me scan it, because see, it got the $1.25 on it. They might be trying to get rid of all of their $1.25. That's what I'm betting on, that that's what they're doing. Don't quote me though. 25 cents. So these are also 25 cents. Here, a lot of the office supplies was 25 cents. Let me show you some things they don't have anymore. The zipper pouches are 25 cents. We already went over the crafters plaque walls. Another crafters square stickers, the crafters alphabet kits, and those crafters animal shapes, the large ones. The crafters square fusible interfacing. All you sewers, the crafters rub on transfers, crafters rub on removable stickers, the crafters square piece and scoring tools, crafters etch glass stickers, crafters chalkboard cropped stickers. So this is what make your chalkboard, those little stickers do, okay? I'm gonna look for them. I do not see them as of yet. The crafters plastic stencil wheels, more chalkboard. The crafters watercolor pop-up stickers, crafters plastic stencil wheel, crafters metallic 3D stickers, the crafters square adhesive cork sheets. Now that's a good one also for office. Crafters iron on transfers, crafters square fusible wood, 3D pop-up dot adhesives. Okay, now we're on the site for the craft. So I guess I should have went over to the crafter site, and here it is, 25 cents. They have stickers that say 25 cents. Keychains, stickers, metallics. Here is that crafter chalk. It's ripped out of the thing, so I'm not gonna get that. Okay, there's the fusible interfacer for 25 cents. There is the cutter. Cake items, and that's another select one for crafting. A little home sign. Okay, aisle right here, hair supplies, hair bows. Here's one right here, that cloth, 25 cents. And they just moved the tags. I don't know why they blocked the whole thing. This is a hair bow, 25 cents. This one, 25 cents. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so you collect. You get them. I hate to put them in the wrong place, so I'm gonna put that back only because I know it's in the wrong spot. Okay, more hair bows right here. These are 25 cents. This clip, 25 cents. That's 25 cents. These are 25 cents. This one, 25 cents. These, that's 25 cents. That's 25 cents. Okay guys, so let me show you something. See these? Not marked. It say $1.25 on it. I'm gonna scan it for you guys because half of them are not marked. 25 cents. Okay, right here, not marked. 25 cents. Let's see. 25 cents. Thank you. Okay, headband right here, 25 cents. Okay, 2 count clip, 25 cents. 2 count. There it is right here. I like these, so I'm gonna grab a couple of them. Yes, a lot of this is not marked. Let me go down the aisle and show you what I got. Those are 25 cents. This is 25 cents. That's so gorgeous. Okay, those are 25 cents. 25 cents for right here. This is 25 cents. These little gorgeous butterflies are 25 cents. Those are 25 cents. See these right here? Let's scan them because I didn't see that. 25 cents. So grab something. Those are so darling. Did I show you that? 25 cents. Those are 25 cents. Let me see what else. 25 cents. These are, and these are really cute. 25 cents. So we'll be grabbing those. And then what else was over here? Oh, those are 25 cents right there. I want you guys to see, stock up. If you do a lot of Christmas, this is the time right here. Look at the scrunchie like this. It's a scrunchie with that. That's 25 cents. So that goes cute on hair like that. I think that's gorgeous. This scrunchie, one side leather, one side is not. Let's see what that one is. Gonna scan it. 25 cents. Okay. And these were 25. Now this is gorgeous. Ain't that cute for a little girl? 25 cents. Stack up on these for the little girls. Hey guys, I'm kind of following the associate around because she coming back and marking. So she marked these, and they are these memo magnets right here. That's 25 cents. And I'm gonna start scanning some more stuff. This, it says Tropical Vibes Notebook, 25 cents. This says Empowering Notes for Kids, 25 cents. Okay guys, search behind stuff because I found a couple of these hidden behind some more notebooks, okay? Because they are hiding for themselves. Okay, right here she came and labeled some stuff. Okay, this is the Dr. Seuss, what is that? A magnetic whiteboard eraser, Dr. Seuss. Oh, okay. Okay, and then what is this? The Dr. Seuss bookmark signs. Oh, they got letters on them. So I can get those for the kids. Will be where you would start to scan because those are little tiny erasers. Let's scan those. Nope, and those are $1.25. So you have to scan. Okay, let me scan this. Because what is that? I don't know, a crayon. And it is not, it is 25 cents. It's not 25 cents, guys. What's these big long ones she came and scanned? I hate when they do that. She came and put a tag on a minute ago. And it